this is Sarah with Sunflower Cottage Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to do the camel stitch. This is a stitch that I use in my Paige Hat, and so I wanted to provide a visual for this stitch because sometimes explaining it in wording just doesn't work for some people, so, and I myself am one of those. So normally when you work a half double crochet or any stitch, you would work into the top 2 V's or in the back loop only, which is the loop furthest from you. However, with half double crochets, you also get a 3rd loop. And so to find that, I just turn my work inward a little, and right there, it looks like a bar or a loop. So the first one is somewhat tricky, but in order to do this, you're going to yarn over like usual for a half double, go into that 3rd loop, and complete a half double crochet as normal. And once you start doing it, it actually makes it pretty easy to get to that 3rd loop after the first 1 or 2 stitches, because it sort of helps to turn the work to make it easier to see that loop. So as you can see, it actually became pretty easy and I'm not struggling at all to get them worked. And you can kind of begin to see what's happening with the half double crochets below that I'm working into. Those 2 V's that we normally work into are being pushed forward to look like a knit stitch. And when you come back around and work the 2nd row, what will happen is these will also turn over, and then you will have 2 lines of knit stitching done. And that is how you do the camel stitch, and I hope that helped you. If you do have any questions about my tutorials or my patterns, please shoot me an email or message me on Facebook at Sunflower Cottage Crochet or my website at sunflowercottagecrochet.com. I'm also on Instagram and pretty much everywhere. So please feel free to contact me if you need further assistance. I will be happy to help you. Thank you.